So how do you repost a video on your Instagram profile? Let's get started. If this is your first time here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so that way you're not going to miss anything important. Now, of course, if you want to get the latest features, make sure to open up the App Store, look up Instagram, and if there is an update available, make sure you install it so you run the latest version of the app. But then you can go ahead and just start browsing like your reels and whatnot. And there is like a new button next to the regular ones, like for the like and for the comments and all of that. And you can see there is one of them, which is like these arrows, and that's basically the repost. So you can repost it on your profile like that, and that's like the whole thing behind it. There isn't really much else, right? Of course, you could technically like repost stuff on your story as well. That would be a little bit of a different thing because you would then just click on the share instead and put it onto your story as a reel, right? Because we also have that ability. So depends on what exactly you're trying to do, but you can see we have a few options. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do it and find it. I just quickly wanted to explain it to you how it works, but most definitely don't forget to update your Instagram if you do not see that feature or if it all looks slightly different on your device. But thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos and tutorials similar to this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.